that's what I'm missing. Because I have a tripod and so I need to look at the computer. So, the last one, no.
Yeah, theirs are almost done. Theirs are almost done.
We can figure it later. Promise. Look, you can come to class and help with the robot.
I'll bring them down. If they're Bill's going to borrow them for his lesson, so he's going to take them at the end of the class. So I need to bring them down to the lab.
So we'll bring it. Come to class with me on Monday.
I'm working with 2 other professors, and we wanted to do like an interdisciplinary lesson, and so we're merging technology, engineering, and math. And we're gonna we came up with this robotics lesson. So the engineering professor is going to talk about the engineering design process and how you build the robot. And then I'm talking about programming. And then the math professor is going to talk about math.
Okay.
So yeah, so we're going to have a challenge where they have to